In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move or copy files in OneDrive Microsoft 365. Managing your files efficiently is crucial, and knowing how to do it seamlessly within OneDrive ensures that your documents are always well organized and easily accessible. Let's dive right in and explore how you can move or copy files with minimal effort. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to OneDrive. Once the page loads, sign in using your Microsoft 365 account credentials. After you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your OneDrive homepage, which is essentially the hub where all your files and folders are neatly organized. To locate the files you wish to move or copy, simply navigate through your folder structure or use the search bar located at the top to quickly find what you're looking for. Now that you've found the file or folder you want to move or copy, hover your mouse over it, and a small circle checkbox will appear to the left. Click on this checkbox to select your item. You can also select multiple items by checking multiple boxes, which is particularly useful when handling more than one file or folder at a time. With your item selected, look at the top navigation menu. Here, you'll find the options to either move or copy your files. These buttons are usually labeled clearly. If you don't see them right away, they might be under a menu button that looks like 3 horizontal dots. Click on Move to or Copy to based on what you need to do. Let's say you choose Move to. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen showing your file structure. You can browse here to find the destination folder you want to move your files to. It's important to choose carefully to ensure your files are easy to find later. After selecting the desired folder, hit the Move button and OneDrive will transport your files to the new location. If you opted to copy to instead, the process is similar, but instead of moving, it creates a duplicate of the original files in the target folder. This is particularly handy when you want to keep the original files intact, perhaps for reference or sharing purposes. Just like moving, select the desired destination folder and press Copy. Keep in mind, if you need to undo any move or copy action, OneDrive typically provides an undo option that pops up briefly at the bottom of your screen. This feature is a lifesaver for correcting accidental moves or copies. By mastering these steps, you ensure a more organized and efficient digital workspace in OneDrive. Practice these moves a few times, and soon, it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.